Reaction of epoxide with Grignard reagent. This kind of compound that contains carbon, oxygen, carbon, a three-membered ring, is called epoxide. Epoxides are very strained because of this three-membered ring. So due to three-membered ring size, epoxides are under a strain. So ring wants to open up. So whenever we have an epoxide, reaction will lead to opening of ring. Now when this epoxide is reacted with Grignard reagent, let us say RMgX, this will act as a nucleophile. This will attack on this carbon and this will open up. So Grignard reagent is acting as a nucleophile. It will give O minus and R will be attached on one carbon. On further, if I do acidification of this compound, we will have an alcohol. So if I have a epoxide, it is reacted with Grignard reagent. Further on acidification, it will give alcohol. In place of Grignard reagent, we can also take methyl lithium or alkyl lithium. Alkyl lithium, that is RLi, can also be used. So if I have a epoxide and this reacting with RLi, this time again R minus will act as a nucleophile, and then we will have, after acidification, alcohol as the final product. Now we have two situations. My epoxide will be symmetrical. So if epoxide is symmetrical, Grignard reagent can attack on this carbon or it can attack on this carbon. It will give you the same product. So first is attack of Grignard reagent and the second is acidification. It will give the same product. So either it attacks on this carbon or it attacks on this carbon. But in case of unsymmetrical epoxide, let us say this is unsymmetrical epoxide, generally attack happens on less hindered side. So this will attack this side, that is less hindered side. So we will have Me, R will be attached this side. After acidification we will have OH. So in case of unsymmetrical epoxide, attack happens to the less hindered side. Less hindered side. Methyl lithium is more selective in this kind of reaction. So if I use methyl lithium or alkyl lithium, so let us say we have R this side, and if we use alkyl lithium, reaction is more selective, that is mainly it will attack on this side. Very few molecule will attack this side. So mainly we will have or acidification also. So first step is attack and the second step is acidification. So attack will happen on less hindered side. So we can say alkyl lithium is more selective compared to the Grignard reagent. Let us say some few problems we can have if I have this compound. And if this reacts with this epoxide, finally acidification, what will be the final product? So you see in this case, this will attack on this side, this will open. So finally we will have, so this carbon contains OH and CH3. So attack will happen on less hindered side. Now let us say if I have this MgBr and this side we have now acidification. After acidification, what will be the final product? Once again, this nucleophile will attack on less hindered side, open this side. So we have 1 carbon, 2 carbon. So this is 1 carbon, 2 carbon. Carbon number 2 contains ethyl group. Now carbon number 2 will also contains an OH group. After acidification, this carbon will also contain one cyclohexane ring. So this will be the final product. Attack happens to less hindered side. Now let us say if I have this epoxide plus methyl lithium, what will be the final product? Once again, nucleophile will attack on this carbon, this will open, and finally on acidification it will give an alcohol. So we have 1 carbon and we will have one more carbon, this is due to CH3. So this will be the final product. Now let us say if I have this compound and if this is treated with methyl lithium, what will be the final product after acidification? So this time again this will attack this side, because this side this is bigger ring. So we have more hindrance, this will open, so we will have OH group here. This carbon will contains 2 CH3, 1 CH3 initially and 1 CH3 we have added. So you see, whenever we have an epoxide and Grignard reagent will act as a nucleophile. If epoxide is symmetrical, we'll get only one product. So if epoxide is symmetrical, only one product. If epoxide is unsymmetrical, major product will come from attack to the less hindered carbon, from attack of Grignard reagent or methyl lithium, alkyl lithium, so that is attack of nucleophile to less hindered carbon. And finally we get an alcohol after acidification. So final product is alcohol. After acidification. And the last point is alkyl lithium is more selective than Grignard reagent. Lithium is more selective than Grignard reagent.